I'm tired of seeing business owners and friends of mine getting screwed over by people that are selling them video. Now, it's not surprising because we all know that video is the most powerful business tool in the world, and we know that we should be using it. But you need to educate yourself. You need to know why you're using video. You need to know what kind of videos you should be making. Don't just go out and hire a video person and hope that they know what they're doing, because you get screwed over the second you don't know what this person is doing. And growing your business is key to having a major impact on the world. So while I know this video stuff can be difficult, you may not want to do it, or you may never want to mess with another video person again, I just want to encourage you to keep changing the world and growing your business, and consider using video as a tool to help you do that.